Unit 31, Comparative Suffixes ER and EST. First, let's review the suffixes y, ly, and ILY. Read this list of words. Smoothly, hastily, peppery. What is the base word to smoothly? It's smooth, and the suffix is ly. The word smooth is an adjective. When we added ly, it became an adverb. Now look at the next word, hastily. What is the base word for hastily? It would be haste with an E. We dropped the E and added the suffix ILY. Again, the word was an adjective and turned into an adverb. The last word, peppery. The base word is pepper. The pepper is a noun, and when we added the suffix y, it turned into an adjective. Now let's learn about comparative suffixes that are ER and EST. I can compare the length of these two pencils. I can say that this pencil is longer than the other pencil. When I want to compare these two things, I add the ending ER to the adjective long. This pencil is long, but this pencil is longer. Now I want to compare three pencils. When I compare three or more things, I add the ending EST to the adjective. For example, this pencil is long, this pencil is longer, but this pencil is longest. Let's look at the words cold, colder, and coldest and see if we can put them in the correct sentence. We have spring is blank than summer. How should we complete this sentence? We would put spring is colder than summer because we're comparing two things. Winter is a blank season. Which one would we use? Cold, colder, or coldest? We would say winter is a cold season because it's not comparing it to another season. Autumn is blank than summer. Do we say colder or coldest? Colder, because we're comparing two things. Autumn is colder than summer. And our last one, winter is the blank season of all. We're comparing winter to all of the seasons. So we would say winter is the coldest season of all. Read these words quietly to yourself. Tall, taller, tallest. Turn to a partner and tell them how the ending changes the word. Can you connect the word to the dogs? My dog Obi is tall. The second dog, Nolly, is taller. But Bob is the tallest. Now let's do a pattern sort. We have words that do not have a change, that have an E drop, that have a double consonant, or that we have to change the Y to an I. Think about the base word to the word before the suffix was added to figure out the pattern. So the word stranger. The base word is strange. We had to add ER. We had to drop the E before adding ER. The next word, softest. The base word is soft, S-O-F-T. all we had to do was add est, so we did not change the base word. The word lower. The base word is low. All we had to do was add er, so there was no change. The next word, silliest. The base word to silliest is silly. We spell silly S-I-L-L-Y. So we had to change the Y to an I before adding our est. And our last word is sadder. The base word is sad. We spell sad S-A-D. We doubled the D to add ER, so it's a double consonant. Remember to refer to the poster if you need to remind yourself about the rules. Comparatives and superlatives, ER and EST. When you're comparing two things, you use ER. When you are comparing three or more things, you use EST. And we also have our rules about spelling the comparatives. Remember to refer to that when you're reading and writing this week.